Forgiveness. A simple word, yet one of the most powerful forces in the world. Today, we're diving into a timeless story that shows us just how transformative forgiveness can be. This is the story of the prodigal son. Once upon a time, there was a man with two sons. The younger son, restless and eager to explore the world, made an unusual demand. "Father, give me my share of the inheritance now, so I can live my life the way I want." The father, though heartbroken, agreed and divided his property. The young man took his fortune and left for a distant land. At first, life was exciting and full of pleasures, but soon the money ran out. His so-called friends disappeared, and the young man was left with nothing. Desperate and ashamed, he found himself working in the lowest of conditions. One day, he came to a realization. "Even the servants in my father's house have food to spare. I'll return home, confess my mistakes, and ask to be treated as a servant." As he journeyed back, his father, who had been watching and waiting, saw him from afar. "Father, I've sinned against heaven and you. I'm no longer worthy to be called your son." "My son, you were lost, but now you are found." Without hesitation, the father embraced him, forgiving him completely. Not only did the father forgive his son, but he also celebrated his return. He called for a grand feast, dressing his son in fine robes and putting a ring on his finger. Forgiveness didn't just restore their relationship, it brought joy and healing to the entire household. But forgiveness isn't always easy for everyone. The older brother, who had stayed and worked faithfully, struggled to accept this act of grace. "Father, I've been here all these years, and you've never thrown a party for me. My son, you are always with me, and everything I have is yours. But we had to celebrate, because your brother was dead and is alive again." This story reminds us of the power of forgiveness. It heals wounds, restores relationships, and brings peace. Forgiveness isn't about forgetting. It's about choosing love over resentment. Let this story inspire us to forgive, just as the father forgave his son. After all, forgiveness has the power to transform not only others, but also ourselves. Thank you for watching. If this message touched your heart, give this video a like, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content.